මේ වීඩියෝ එකේ මම එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරන්න යන මගේ database management system එකේ section set එකේ 16 වෙනි section set එක. හරි මෙතනදී අපිට කියලා තියෙන section එක ගැන අපි බලමු. The marks of the term examination of the Paluvilla Junior College are still recorded in books. Because of this, the principal has to spend a lot of time when he need to check the marks of the student. Therefore, the principal has decided to include the term marks of all the students studying in his school in a computer system. The software has developed by a software development company called AISoft. The software should be able to store all student term score and student assignment scores. The principal has decided to develop this software to include the marks of student in grade 11 as the first stage of this software. You work as a senior software engineer at this company. You and your team are tasked with creating the database here and the SQL query used to provide the following requirements. Our following instruction is to create a database name exam marks db to store student marks. Use the ER diagram to create this table. Then instruction is create a table name student to store students data. Create the table according to the instructions below. और मेतना आप रखिए जिनो student table लगे details ठीक है. तुमने instruction का the school has to create 11 classes. Create a table called classes to store the details of those classes. मतलब आप रखिए जिनो classes table लगे details ठीक है. Create a table called subject to store the subject to in the school. Create the table according to the instructions below. मतलब आप रखिए जिनो subject इधर subject to table like details ठीक है. Create a table with the exam term to store the term test in the school. Create the table according to the instructions below. මෙතන exam term කියන table එක හදන්න details ටික කියනවා. එහෙනම් අපි අපේ table ටික හදාගමු. ඉස්සෙල්ලාම මම මෙතන file viewer database එකේ name එක හදාගමු. මෙතන database එකේ name එක විදියට exam marks db කියලා දෙනවා. පළවෙනි table එක විදියට අපිට හදාගන්න කියලා තියෙන්නේ student table එක. හරි මේ විදිහට මම මගේ ක්ලාස් ටේබල් එක හදාගත්තා. ඒ ඊළඟ ටේබල් එක විදිහට අපිට හදාගන්න තියෙන සබ්ජෙක්ට් ටේබල් එක.